With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Select the incorrect statement. Okay, let's look at the statements. Amoeba and paramecium reproduce by binary fission. Buds are produced due to unequal division in parent body. Incestation refers to formation of two-layered hard covering around amoeba during unfavorable conditions. Spores are formed due to multiple fission in sporulation. Now look at them one by one. Okay, let's look at the first one. Amoeba and paramecium reproduce through binary fission. This statement is very true. Why? Because amoeba and paramecium, they both reproduce through binary fission, sometimes in unfavorable conditions. Amoeba also grows through multiple fission. Amoeba does multiple fission. Only in unfavorable conditions, alright? But paramecium, it only ever does binary fission. So this first statement is correct. Now let's look at the second statement. Buds are produced due to unequal division in parent body. Is this true? No, this is wrong. Why? What is budding? So let's take yeast cell, okay? For example, this is yeast cell and this is the nucleus. So what happens is that there is a certain outgrowth, but budding is a method of vegetative propagation, alright? Binary fission is also a method of vegetative propagation. So what happens is budding is that there is a small outgrowth, okay? And it keeps on growing and growing and growing until unless it has its own nucleus. Where does it get its own nucleus? From the parent. So it gets its own nucleus and soon enough this bud is divided from the parent and this is a free bud. This is a bud. So this is the process of budding. So no, this is not produced due to unequal division in the parent body. The parent body is not divided. No, it is growing out of the parent body and then it is divided, right? So this is also a wrong statement. Now let's come to the third one. Incestation refers to the formation of two-layered hard covering around amoeba during unfavorable conditions. So what is incestation? Let's look at it. Incestation. So during unfavorable conditions, yes, amoeba forms a three-layered outer covering after the degeneration of its pseudopodia. What is pseudopodia? For example, this is amoeba, okay? This is amoeba. So these finger-like projections, right? These are called as pseudopodia. Alright, so what happens is that in unfavorable conditions, these pseudopodias degenerate and slowly they form a three-layer outer covering. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Three-layered outer covering. And this three-layered outer covering is incestation. Why? Because it's creating a kind of a cyst around it, right? Incestation. So this answer is also wrong because they are saying 2, but in reality there are 3 layers. So this is also wrong. Let's look at the last one. Spores are formed due to multiple fission and sporulation. Now this is also wrong. Why? Because multiple fission is a different thing and sporulation is a different thing. Multiple fission, when does it happen? It only happens in unicellular organisms, right? And sporulation is the method of formation of spores in multicellular organisms, right? Like fungus and other organisms, they produce spores. Like penicillium as well, it produces spores, and the spores, they are released inside the air. They are not a complete organism in itself. But unicellular organisms, they do multiple fission, and what they do is they, for example, this is amoeba who is doing multiple fission, right, in unfavorable condition. So what it will do is it will divide its nucleus and it will create a lot of small daughter cells inside it, and after some time it will burst open and all these daughter cells will be released outside. Okay, but they are not spores, right? They are daughter cells, they are amoebas, but here they are spores. They are not fungus or they are not multicellular unicellular organisms. All right, so this is also a wrong option. Only the first option is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.